Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I'll be talking about maintenance of metal shears. When servicing, you want to use only identical replacement parts. The tool may be cleaned and lubricated by the user, but any other servicing, including the changing of carbon brushes, should be performed by the manufacturer. The cable is the lifeline of your tool, so you want to keep it clean by wiping it off. You want to keep it out of oils and greases, and if you keep it neatly coiled when not in use, it'll help prevent any damage of it. You want to avoid dragging it across of sharp surfaces or using the cord as a handle to lift it. On this particular model of metal shear, it's recommended that you lubricate it once every 3 months depending on the usage. What you will need to do is remove the shear head from the unit and follow the instructions given by the service sheet. Typically you'll just put a few drops of heavy oil on the eccentric bearing